Good morning, students. I'm Keshav sir. I teach you math. Okay. So this video is about first lesson place value. It is summarized video. So I will explain you some topics which are lengthy in this lesson. So first topic is place value. What is meant by place value and how to write the places of any number. We already learned 3-digit number. In 3-digit number, there are ones, tens, and hundreds. Already you learned in the second standard. So now, in this standard, in the third standard, we have one more digit, which is 1000. So these are the places: ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. What is meant by places? If number is like this 2, 3, 4, 5. So each digit is having one place value. Each digit is having one place value. What is that? This is at the place of ones digit. It means that its place value is 5 into 1 equals to 5. The place value of 5 at a ones digit, it means that it is 5 into 1, 5. Then what about this? It is at the place of tens. Tens means where to multiply it by 10. So we get 4 into 10 equals to 40. 4 into 10 equals to 40. So it is 4 tens. How many tens are there? There are 4 tens. So 4 tens, 40. Now the third digit, it is at 100 place. Okay. So what is the place value of this? This digit is 3. But the place value of that digit is 100. So 3 into 100. So how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. So the answer is 300. Now the fourth one, it is at 1000 place. It is at 1000 place. So multiply it by 1000. So how many thousands are there? 2000s are there. So we write here 2000. So this is the place value. Okay, this is the place value. Got it? We can write it as 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. If the number is like this 2345, means what? It is having 2340 and 5. So it has become a number. Got it? So it is the place value topic is comparing number. How to compare the numbers? Comparing numbers. In this topic, we have to learn how to compare the number. It may be small, it may be greater, it may be equal. So, we comparing minimum we need two numbers. Then only we compare the numbers with each other. We can't compare single number. Okay, we can't compare single number. We need two or more than two numbers, then only we can compare the numbers with each other. So comparing is what? If the numbers are 235 and 253, these two numbers are having, so which number is greater, which number is smaller, or it may be both the numbers are equal. For that we have to see the places which place is greater or lesser. So there are three signs. We are having three signs. One sign is of a greater, one is for less, and one is for equal sign. Okay, it is the crocodile mouth. Which number is greater or bigger, we use the crocodile mouth to that number. Okay, facing the crocodile mouth in that way. So now we compare these numbers. First, what we see, 100 place. First we compare 100 place. So at the 100 place, both the numbers are same. Okay, 2 is there. Both the numbers are same. So they are equal. Then we compare the tens place. Here it is 3 and here it is 5. So which number is bigger? 3 is bigger or 5? Suppose 3 chocolates are there, 5 chocolates are there, right? So how many chocolates? Means which chocolates are bigger? 5 chocolates, right? 5 chocolates are more than 3. So 5 is greater. It means that this number is greater than 235. So if it is the greater number, then we show the crocodile mouth towards the bigger number. Okay, so ये 253 जो है ये बड़ा हो जाएगा 235 से. Got it? So whenever we compare the numbers with each other, we have to find that which place value is bigger or smaller. If both the value or both the numbers is having same 100 place or 1000 place, then we have to compare the next one is tens place. Okay. So one more example we take here. Now it is 4-digit number. Okay, so it is 3. Here also it is 3. We first compare the 1000 place. Both the places are same. Now compare the next one, which is 100 place. So at 100 place there is a 7 and here it is 6. So which is bigger? 7 is bigger than 6. That's why this number is greater than 3685. Okay, so got it? How to compare the numbers? So whenever we have to compare the numbers, first we compare the 1000 place, then we compare the hundreds place, then we compare the tens place, and then we compare the ones place. Okay, if the bigger place value is different, suppose here it is 3285 and here it is 4285. Okay, means 1000 place is changed, so only compare that one. So here it is 3, here it is 4, means this is greater, so this number will be greater. Here it is 3000 and something and here it is 4000 and something, means 4000 is greater than 3000, that's why this number is bigger. Got it? Now new topic is ascending and descending order. So ordering the number, okay, ascending is what? Smaller to bigger. This is ascending. Okay, is smaller to bigger number. It is ascending. And descending is what? Bigger to smaller. Okay. So if smaller to bigger means if we are going up, then it is a ascending order, and if we comes down, then it is a descending order. ओके, मीन्स अगर हमें ऊपर चढ़ना है, मीन्स छोटे से बड़ा नंबर जो है इट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, और बड़े से छोटा नंबर इट इज अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. So we already learned the comparing the digits, comparing the numbers. Okay, it is essential for the ascending and descending order. So let's see some examples on ascending and descending. Suppose the numbers are these are the numbers. We have to find ascending order as well as descending order. Ascending order as well as descending order. So in ascending order, we need smaller to bigger, small to big. In ascending order, small to big. Okay. So which is the smaller one? See here 2000, 2000, 2000 means 1000 place is same. Now we compare the 100 place. Here it is 800, here it is 300, and here it is 600. So which is smaller? 300 is the smaller. So write down this number first, 2375. Then after that compare the remaining digits or remaining numbers. So these numbers are remaining. So compare the 100 plus, here it is 800 and here it is 600. So 600 is smaller than 800. So take this number, it is 2653. 2653. Now the last one, so it is 2841. Got it? So we go smaller to bigger for ascending order. ओके, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम क्या करते हैं? छोटे से बड़ा, एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में बड़े से छोटा. सो विच इज द बिगर नंबर? सो इफ वी टेक रिवर्स ऑर्डर ऑफ असेंडिंग ऑर्डर देन इट विल बी अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. यानी इसका अगर रिवर्स ऑर्डर लेते हैं बड़े से छोटा, तो ये पहले आएगा. सो इट इज 2841, देन 2653, and then 2375. So here it is the descending order. Got it? Ascending and descending order. Now the next topic is building the numbers. Building number means we can build the number from given digits. So it may be greatest or it may be smallest number. So here two examples are given. Here 2, 3, 4, these are the digits, and we have to make the greatest and smallest number from these digits. Greatest is what? We just write descending order of these digits so that we get the greatest number, and if we make the ascending order of this number, then we can make the smallest number. So here greatest number we have to find. So write down the descending order of these digits. It is 432. This 432 is the greatest number which can be made from these given digits. Now here smallest number. So ascending order is nothing but the reverse order of descending order. Okay. So we can simply take this 2, then 3, then 4. So 234 is the smallest number. Now another example is that here there are 4 digits. See what is the difference between digits and the number. So digits is having commas in between each and every number, but when we form the number, where we don't use the comma in between the digits. Okay, सिर्फ हम कहाँ पे देते हैं? जहाँ पे 100 प्लेस के बाद में जब 1000 प्लेस आता है, so in between 1000 and 100 place, only there we give the comma. Now here form the greatest number or build the greatest number first. So we have to find which one is the greatest one. It is 7. Then smaller than 7 it is 5. Then smaller than 5 is 3, and then 2. Now where we have to give the comma? We can give the comma in between 1000 and 100 place. Okay. Now build the smallest number from these given digits. So it is just reverse of descending order. So take this 2 first, then bigger number, then bigger number, then bigger number, and give the comma here. So 2357 is the number which is the smallest number from given digits, and it is the greatest number from given digits. Fine. So here I explain you some topics from the first lesson. Another video I will make for the next topics. Okay, up to that, please watch my videos, give the like, comment and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Bye.